The Ijaw community in Ovia South local government area of Edo State claims it's being marginalized by the Benin and the Edo State government. They allege they are not considered as indigents, but settlers, who have to pay allegiance to the Benin monarch. The president of the Ijaw Youth Council also alleges an alleged plot to use the military against the various communities.
Only this afternoon, while we are on our way from Benin to this place, we got a message. Perfected plans to send military people, combine military people to Ijaw communities, starting from Gelegele and the palace, the Igbosu shrine in Okikoro. We want to advise that if they do that, it will be a declaration of war against the Ijaw nation. They should not take the Ijaw nation silent for weakness. The Ijaw nation has a capacity to defend their people anywhere in Nigeria.
For the secretary to the Benin Traditional Council, the land on which the Ijaw communities reside belongs to the Benin Kingdom. Therefore, all inhabitants therein are subject to the Benin monarch.
They must recognize the authority of the Oba of Benin. We have a nigger in Benin Kingdom. If they want somebody that will be their immediate head, then they should say so. The Oba of Benin can create one for them. But for them to come up and say that they are the owner of the land of Ya, part of Benin Kingdom, even when the Portuguese recognize that that part of planet Earth belongs to the Oba of Benin, then somebody is now coming to claim that he's the owner of the land.
When I was growing up, I said that I want people to suffer. Maybe they will learn from it. I thought if poverty and lack hit you, you will gain sense. But now that I've grown up, I know say poor people no get sense. Even poverty will not even make you think right. And that is why we are poor. Mark my word, I use the word we are poor. I didn't exclude myself. That's why we are poor. Because the poor don't think right. The rich think well. You know, if I said I wish that this thing that's happening to the Ijaws or that has happened to the Igbanke people would have happened to my normal people, now people will say, which kind of prayer be this? But it's good. I wish it will happen. Maybe you people will learn your lesson. You see, you people get luck say we are in Delta State. Yeah, we are not Igbo. We are descendants of Benin. When I started making video saying that we are Igbos, many of you were fighting me. You believe people, and outside I tell you that I'm an Easterner boy who is claiming Delta, that I'm an imposter. They told you, and you will believe that I'm an imposter. Now Biafra make me, they make the myth though. That my intention was to bring Biafra to Delta. When you discover now that I'm a true son of Aniomas, one Chubo, Diopale is a team, Onyumo Shomi, one Kogolo for that matter. Now your system changed. Igbo people paid you. Igbo people have paid this boy. That's why he's talking what he's talking. The agenda was for expansionists. Is land grabbing. That video what you watch now, who is now the land grabber? Who is now doing expansionist? No, answer me. Which evidence you need now to know that the Binu are the real land grabbers and the expansionists? They are suspended the kings in Igbanke. They are gonna suspend. If you know you're waiting the guy talk, if they need a king, they should say that Oba will make a king for them. I wish we are still in the old Bendel. I wish. This is the right time to prove to people to what I'm saying. So that that thing that Oba is doing in Edo, he will extend it to you people that are claiming in Iseluku, in Eka, in Okwani, that are not Igbo. So that you extend it to your head. You can remove your king and claim your land. I wish. Maybe that time you go learn. You know, so I get long mouth. Ndị banya asị na ọnụ okenye na-ekwu ọ na-eshi ma oge ife okwu ga-eme ife ome kokoko zanzam. Yes. When we they talk now, they say keep quiet, see your mouth, see your tomo mouth, long leaves, go and talk to, go and ask your king where you come from, this and that, whatever. Who is now an expansionist? Who is now a land grabber? Who is now an expansionist? Who is now a land grabber? No, answer yourself. Answer yourself. When we say this thing, it look as if we don't know what we are saying. You know, and I be like, say we saw today. That is why we started shouting Olo. We dey shout Olo since last year. I bụkwa ndị Igbo. Onye ọbụla ndị Igbanke has, if the Igbanke people have become the fully members of Ohaneze ndị Igbo, will this thing happen to them? Would the Oba have the right to suspend their kings? Very soon, they will tell you, you know, say they talk that the Ijaws have been existing in that community before the Portuguese came. Now they are using the Portuguese as their reference. It's just like we that have been existing before the Romia came. They now be telling us now, say, now we be their descendant. That is where the mistakes start from. Just like I told one person, say, every politician in Nigeria is supposed to be a servant. They are not supposed to be a leader. You are politicians and you are servants. But we have turned them to leader. This is what my people are doing in Aniomas. You are older than Benin. We can trace our descendants, our ancestors, more than 1,000 years. Our forefathers. Benin, the first Oba of Benin Iweka, is just less than 900 years. But the younger one is not claiming senior. You that is senior now is claiming junior. With your own hand, though, not be say they force you. You are descendant. Why are you not saying you are a Benin person now? Because there's no difference between descendant and ancestor. English now, your mate. You guys are lucky that Babangida has made us. If to send an old band there we day, by now all of us for know the kind thing why they talk about. If you know the reason why identity crisis is a big issue. If you know, they for collect your land for your head. Yes. Somebody's asking me why I'm always talking about identity crisis. Why am I making this kind of video? River State na joke for you. You don't know that the problem in River State, identity crisis is part of it. A man that speaks Igbo is claiming that he's not Igbo, he's Ijaw. A man that speaks Igbo says not Igbo, is Benin. Don't you see what is happening? Two brothers are supposed to separate themselves. They are now bringing other ethnic groups to come and fight their wars. River State is a joke for you. This is what we are talking about. I wish we're in the old bundle. Maybe by now, you go don't learn lesson. You people are lucky. And that's why we have been asking that we have our own state, Aniomas, so that we can be on our own. But when I see they do, one day, that your, what you know they call them for a car, those who are kings for a car, they go use Oba Bini and remove them, suspend them, even tell you say that land doesn't belong to you. Let me see what you can do. You come online, you tell us, say, we are online, making noise. You can't change the history. Now, the kings are taking the what we are saying serious offline. Now we don't online, now we they make noise. But their people are playing the real politics offline, showing you people how to do it. When you are supposed to unite with us, you turn to minority. Now, Igbanke will be minority of the minority. That's what they are telling them, because nobody will fight for them. Nobody. Who are they joining to? I'm out of here, Joe.